Hi children, good morning. So hope you are all safe and fine along with your families. Okay. So yesterday in English class, I think you heard about a lesson called Mountain Mona, isn't it? It's very interesting, no? Well, who is Mona? Mona is a goat. Yes, we have learnt all the lesson in a beautiful picturization. Okay, so now let us see what are the textual things which we have to continue in that lesson. Okay, if you all can open to the page number 24. See, it's there in your textbook. You have a small puzzle here. In the very beginning of the lesson, you have a small puzzle here. Yes, so there are some more clues which are being given around the grid, around this puzzle, yes or no? Yes, so let us see that. Okay, so let me tell you, the first picture indicates, what is the first picture, children? You know, no? Yes, it is one of the character in Mountain Mona. It is lion. Very good. Come on, write under that, lion. Yes. Now, coming to the second picture, you know, what is this goat growing? Sunflowers. Yes, it is a sunflower, no? Yes, that is a very big flower. Yes, second one is sunflower. And the third one is, what is the third one, children? The third one is a bush. What is it called, children? Bush. So please write down. Bush. Yes. And the fourth one is, what is the fourth one, children? Spectacles. What is it called? Spectacles. Yes, spectacles. Yes. What is the fifth one, children, here? Fifth one is a rock. Yes, it is a rock. So these are the five clues which are being given in the page. So you need to find in this small puzzle, like which is shown here, you need to find the names of all these. Yes, first one is already given to you. One of it is already given to you, that is a bush. Bush is already rounded for you. In the same way, you need to find all these words. Okay, is that clear? Hope you all can do it and make it funny. Yes or no? It's very funny, no? Yes, you will be able to do it. Yes, come on, find out fastly, children. Did you complete, children? Yes. So you finished that finding the puzzle, no? Yes. Now what you do is, open to page number 29. You have the heading called Comprehension 1. Okay. See the first one, children. Arrange the sentences in the correct order. So, they gave you some sentences in a jumbling order which forms a story. Okay. So, if you can arrange them into a proper way, it forms the story of the same lesson, that is Mountain Mona. Okay. So, let me read the sentences once so that you can understand how to arrange them. Okay. So, the first one. The lion gave Mona his spectacles. Second one, Mona stormed off down the mountain. Third one, the lion fell all the way down to his cave. Fourth one, Mona tried jumping and leaping but fell. Fifth one, Mona loved to grow sunflowers. Sixth one, a fierce lion tried to scare Mona. Seventh one, the Mona's mother praised her. Eighth one, Mona jumped, leaped, climbed and scrambled without falling down. So see, all these sentences are forming the same story which you have learned. Okay, so there are dashes in front of each and every sentence as it is shown on the board. So the first one is, firstly, when we started the story, we have learned that Mona is a goat and it loved growing sunflowers. Yes. So see the fifth sentence, children. Mona loved to grow flowers. So in front of that sentence, you have a dash, put number 1. Number 2. Mona tried jumping and leaping but fell. So initially when it was trying, it fell. That is the second one. Third one. Mona stormed off down the mountain. So it went down down the mountain. Yes. Fourth one. The fierce lion tried to scare Mona. That is sixth one. 4. Okay. Next. The lion gave Mona his spectacles. So that is number 5. That is the first sentence, children. Put number 5. The lion fell all the way down to his cave. So it have fell all the way down to his cave. That is the third sentence. Put number 6. 7th one. Mona jumped, leaped, climbed and scrambled without falling down. That is the last sentence. Put number 7. Mona's mother praised her. Yes, that is the ending of the story. That is the 7th one and 8. See, you can see the order of that. 5, 3, 6, 2, 1, 4, 8, 7. So this is the order to be filled. Yes. So after this, we have the second one. You completed the first Roman number. Now coming to the second Roman number. Be big, children. Read these lines from the story and answer the questions. Okay. So there is a line given from you which is taken from the story, and there are some questions which are related to that. They are asked you to answer. Okay. So let us see the first one. Jumping is easy peasy. Watch me jump over this bush. Okay. See, we have some questions. Actually, this sentence is taken from the same story, Mountain Mona. Okay. So the first question is, who said this? Who said this? So who told that the jumping is very easy? Mona's brother. Right. See. So the first answer is Mona's brother. So I would like you all to write with pencil. Okay. Mona's brother. Second part. Second question. Who was he talking to? To whom is he telling that this is very easy peasy? He is telling to Mona. Yes. The answer for the second one is Mona. Coming to the third question. Why was he jumping over a bush? So, why is he jumping? He's just showing how it is easy to jump. So, you should write, just frame a sentence and write here. He was trying to show how easy it is to jump over bushes. Okay. So, I'm repeating it again. He was trying to show how easy it is to jump over bushes. Okay. Yes. So we have the second question. A sunflower. So, a sunflower. So there is a second question called questioning a sunflower. Okay. Who said this? Who was stunned telling sunflower in the story? Yes, lion was surprised. A sunflower? Yes. Who was that? It was, the answer is the lion. Yes. Second one. To whom was this said? It was said to Mona. So between whom was this discussion done, children? Lion and the Mona. Yes. Was the speaker happy when this was said? Was he happy when this was said? No. Certainly not. He is not happy, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. See. So, just frame it into a sentence and write, it's not, he is not happy when he's telling. Why? Because Mona is not scared of the lion. Because whoever sees the lion, they usually run back. They are afraid. Okay. So, no. He wanted to frighten Mona, but Mona was not getting scared. Okay. So, I'm repeating the answer once again. No. He wanted to frighten Mona, but Mona was not getting scared. Okay. So please complete it carefully. So the first two questions are completed now. So coming to the third question. Look here to the third question, children. Wow, I can see for miles. So see, someone in the story is telling I can see for miles. Who said this to whom? Yes. Who said this to whom? So who is telling this? Mona said this to the lion. Okay. This was a discussion between the Mona and the lion. So the answer is Mona said this to the lion. Okay. If there are sentences here, children, I request you, please write the sentences below the question. So you have a space between the two questions, no? Two questions in between gap you have, no? In that gap, you write the answer. Okay. Yes. Coming to the second question. Why did the speaker say this? Why did he say? Why did Mona tell that she can see for miles? Because she wore the spectacles of the lion, isn't it? So see, Mona had worn the lion's spectacles. What did she wear? Mona had worn the lion's spectacles. After wearing the spectacles, what did she tell? Mona, what did she tell? She tell, I can see for miles. That is so far. Okay. I'm able to see very clearly for so long distance. Yes. What happened after this was said? So what happened after this was said? See. So after telling this, she told, she jumped, leaped, climbed and scrambled to the top of the mountain, because she learned, no? Yes, no. In the previous thing, she'll be learning. Before meeting the lion, she'll be learning everything from the brother, mother and sister. Okay. So she started to jump. So she got addicted now. Now she jumped, leaped and climbed and scrambled to the top of the mountain. Yes. That is the third question. Okay. Coming to the fourth one. But there's something else you are very good at. Okay. So someone is telling there is something else you are very good at. Who said this to whom? So who told these words? Mona's mother said these words to Mona. Okay, because what is in the beginning of the story, Mona does not know how to jump, leap, climb and scramble, isn't it? But after that, she started learning how to do all these things. But she knows an extra work. What is that? Growing sunflowers, which goats cannot do. Other goats cannot do. So that's why she said. So who is telling this? Mona's mother said this to Mona. Yes. Second question. Why did the speaker say this? Because Mona is able to do all the things which goats do, as well as a thing which they can't. That means which they cannot also, she is able to do. That is why the mother pointed out her and told that you are able to do all the things which goats are able to do, and you are doing an extra work which the goats are not able to do also. Okay. Yes. What is something else refers to here? So, there is a word in the sentence, but there's something else. What is that something else? Okay, what is that something else? Yes, not only growing goats, not only growing sunflowers also, but you know, like it can, even if the Mona is not even afraid of lion, yes or no? Yes, the Mona is not even afraid of lion. So, what is that something which it cannot do? Yes, getting rid of a big fierce lion. So if a goat goes near to the lion, what will happen, children? Immediately the goat will get afraid and it will run away. But did Mona do that? No, it did not do that. Okay, not only growing sunflowers which goats cannot do, it is also not afraid of a fierce lion, you know, and it got rid of it. It just went to the lion, spoke something and just came back, isn't it? Yes. So that is the something else which is referring in this line. Yes. So writing that part is completed now. So moving on to the next page. See, you can see page number 30, comprehension 2. And the first one is answer the questions. So that questions will be given as a PDF into your notes, children. Okay. So you have to write it down in your notes. And next you have the next side heading as vocabulary. Okay. Match the words with the pictures. So the first one is growing flowers. Where is the growing flowers picture? Yes, it is the picture D. So at the side of the first one, write D. Yes. Second one, falling. So where is it? Where it is falling? Where you can see that Mona is falling? Yes, in the picture A. So write A. C. Third one, leaping. Where you can see it leaping? In the picture C. Yes. And fourth one is stomping. How it is doing? Where it is doing stomping? In the picture B. So we have matched. Just write at the side of that with a pencil D, A, C, B. So this is how you match the pictures with the given words. Yes. Coming to the next part, B part, circle the correct verb in the each sentence. So you know what are verbs? Yes. What are verbs, children? We are learning from the beginning now. Like what are verbs? Verbs means nothing but action words which shows action. Yes or no? Yes. Now let us spot out them. How to spot it out? You have to circle it. So you have to search it and circle out. Now, first one is watch me stomp, jump, scramble over the bush. Over the bush, what we can do, children? We can only jump. Which action we can do over the bush? Only we can jump. So what you have to do? So the spelling is written for you here. You have to circle that word. So that is a correct word. Okay. Next. Watch me jump, stagger, leap from rock to rock. So from rock to rock, what you do? It is called leaping. Yes or no? So you have a word called leap there. So circle that word. Come on, circle that word with the pencil. Why don't you try climbing and staggering, scrambling and stomping? See, they have given words here. Why don't you try climbing and staggering, scrambling and stomping? Okay, so that word is, it's not climbing and staggering, it is climbing and scrambling. Scrambling you have to. So after climbing is already given for you, and the second word they kept in as an option. So search for a word scrambling and then circle it out. Yes. Next one, fourth one. Mona staggered, stomped, scrambled off down the mountain. So what did it do? It is stormed off from the mountain. So see the word where it is stomped and the middle word it is. So circle it out. Okay. So is that clear, children? Yes. Now coming to the next part of your textbook in page number 31. This is a very funniest thing what you can do. These are called compound words. Compound words means, children, which have two words. Okay, in the same word, we have two words, actually the combination of two words, but they both have different, like they have individually their meaning. That means, suppose you take one example, toothbrush. Tooth is a separate word. You know what are tooth? You know what is brush? Separate. But together if you mix them, what they do? If you combine them, what will happen? Toothbrush. Toothbrush is a word which is giving you a combination of two words. So this is called a, what is it called? Compound word. Okay. Yes. So in the same way, we have a pictures given here. We have pictures given here. So you have to just take a pencil and just mark them. See, basket is connected with a ball. Yes, it's called a basketball. Okay. So next one, basket to the ball. Come on, draw the line fastly. Second one, candle to the sticks. Candlesticks. Okay. Candlesticks. Third one, chocolate cake. So you can see in the cup chocolates and down cake you can see. So that's a chocolate cake. Okay. Next one, fourth one is a horse and a shoe is remained. So horse, shoe. That is a compound word. What are compound words, children? Combination of two words is called a compound word. Okay. Yes. Even sunflower, it is a compound word. Sun is a separate one and flower is a separate one. But when you combine, you get a different word again. Okay. Yes. Now moving on to the grammar part of page number 32. You have subject and predicate here. Yes. So what is a subject, children? Subject is the word about which or about what we are talking in the sentence. Suppose if I tell like the teacher teaches English. Suppose if you take an example, the teacher teaches English. The teacher, we are talking about teacher. What is the teacher doing? We are telling, isn't it? So about whom we are talking in that sentence? About the teacher. Yes. So the teacher, the word teacher becomes the subject. About whom we are talking is called the subject. And the rest of the sentence becomes the predicate. Okay. Did you understand? Yes. Now see, in the matching part, in the first one, match the subjects with their predicates. See here. You have on one side as under the subject Mona, her brother, her sister, her mother, the lion and he. So Mona loved to grow sunflowers. Okay. So at the side of Mona, just see, children, at the side of this matching part, here itself in this, you can write here. Okay. So please write it down with a pencil. The first one, see, Mona, if you combine and if you read, you'll be able to know it. Mona loved to grow sunflowers. Okay. Second one, her brother was good at jumping. Yes, her brother was good at jumping. E, second one is. Third, her sister was good at leaping. Sister was good at leaping. Her mother, what did her mother do? She was good at climbing and scrambling. Okay, climbing and scrambling. Yes. The lion, next one. The lion was wearing spectacles. The lion was wearing spectacles. Okay. Next, he fell all the way down to his cave. Who fell all the way down? The lion fell all the way down to the cave. So, you have the grammar options. Yes. 1 as C, 2 as E, 3 as A, 4 as F, 5 as B, and 6 as D. Okay. So, coming to the next one, B bit, children. Circle the subject and underline the predicate. So, a sentence is given here for you. Let us read. Daddy gets up early in the morning. About whom we are talking, children, here? Daddy. So, you have to circle the word daddy and underline the remaining word. Understood, children? Yes. Second one. Your book is on the table. So, your book is on the table. About what we are talking? We are talking about the book, isn't it? Yes or no? Your book is on the table. So, your book, and circle it out, and the remaining underline. Yes. Third one. My brother plays the guitar. My brother plays the guitar. About whom we are talking? About the brother. Whose brother? My brother. So, my brother. Circle the my brother and then underline the remaining part of the sentence. Yes. So, what is the fourth sentence, children? A girl from the 5th grade came first in the 100 meters race. Okay, a girl from the 5th grade. About whom we are talking here? A girl from the 5th grade. So, circle the girl from the 5th grade and underline the remaining sentence. Yes. Fifth one. The two children helped their mother clean the house. So, are you helping your parents? Yes. So, the two children. About whom we are talking, children? About the two children. So, two children, you circle it out and the remaining part you underline. Yes. So, coming into the next page, in page number 33, you can fill up these sentences on your own, children. Okay. So, I will give you suggestions to fill it up. Add a predicate to these subjects to complete the sentences. Use your own ideas. Okay. So, our teacher. So, subject they gave you. You tell what they are doing, what they'll be doing usually. Okay. Our teacher. Okay. Our teacher dash. You can write it anything. Our teacher teaches us English. Our teacher is very good. Whatever you want, you can just write it down. This book, second one. See, this book is very interesting. This book is this book is very neat. Okay, so like that, whatever you want regarding the subject, you can take it out and you can write. My friend, write about your friends, children. The lion, and the fifth one is the goats. Okay. Now, coming to the part D. Circle the subjects and underline the objects in these sentences. So, what is this? Object is a different word. We learnt about subject. About whom we are talking is called a subject. And the remaining sentence, Miss told it is a predicate. But what is this object? Yes, object is nothing but the noun which is there to the end of the sentence. Understood? Now, I'll just tell you an example for that. Let us take the first example, sentence itself as an example. Goats don't grow flowers. Okay, goats. About whom we are talking here? About the goats. That is the subject. So, circle the subject. Next, don't grow flowers. What they will do, what they don't do, it seems they won't grow. Growing is a verb. Yes or no? Yes. But what they don't grow, it seems flowers. That is an object. Okay, that is an object. Okay, now you can circle the subject and underline the object. Yes. Goats don't grow flowers. So, circle the goats and underline the flowers. The batsman hit the ball. So, the batsman hit the ball. Yes. So, about whom we are talking? About the batsman. So, it is a subject. So, circle batsman, and what he don't hit, it seems it's a ball. That is a thing. It is an object. So, that underline that ball. Third one. My brother bought grapes. So, my brother. So, we are talking about my brother. So, circle my brother bought grapes. So, grapes is a Grapes is a object. So underline the object. Fourth one, lions chase goats. What are lions? Lions will chase goats. So lions is a subject. So circle the subject and underline the goats. Fifth sentence, the lion lost his spectacles. So lion is a subject. Circle the subject. Spectacles. Spectacles is an object. So underline the object. Sixth one, Rehana is eating a sandwich. So Rehana. So circle the word Rehana. Why? Because that is a subject. And underline the word sandwich. That is a object. Understood? Okay. So we have one small Roman number in the last of this page. That is page number 33. Which are language skills. Okay. Pronunciation. So there are some words given for you on the help box. Okay. So they're asking you to sound it. OA sounds in the goat. So what is that OA? Oat. Okay. Coal. So what are the words which have to be written? So you have to write them. So first thing what you do is under OA. OA means what? What is OA? OA. Under the OA, you just write down. We have the words of coal. C-O-A-L, coal, ol. That ol sound is coming there. Goal. Comb. Foam. Next, bowl. Okay. OA sound is coming. Yes. Sound is coming. So next one. Next you can write OW words. So what are these OW words in the help box? That is mouse. That is mouse. And what is the other word? Clone. Clone. Owl. Towel. And shout. Okay, so these are the words. Please write them. Where you have to write, children? You have to write them in the box with a pencil. Okay, is that clear to you? Yes. Hope that you all are completing everything in the textbook. There are still more things like listening, speaking and writing skills which I will help you in the next video. Okay, thank you.